To get your Arduino connected to your computer, let's first install the Arduino IDE before you plug in your Arduino board. Now, the Arduino IDE, this is similar to the Microchip MPLAB X IDE. IDE is just an acronym for Integrated Development Environment. This is the environment where you develop your programs. And just like MPLAB, you write your programs in here and use the IDE to compile your program into machine code and then transfer it to your Arduino. On your data DVD you got in your kit, there's a folder called Arduino. And in that folder, you have the appropriate installers for your systems, 32 and 64-bit Linux, Arduino for the Mac operating system, and Arduino for Windows. If you did not get the kit, I'm providing the downloads here with the lesson. Use the appropriate download there. These will probably be older downloads than the most recent available IDEs. However, at the time of this recording, there was some known issues with the IDE that you can download from the Windows App Store. And the newer IDE versions also had some unnecessarily complicated example files. So download the IDE from here. I'm providing version 1.6.12. So download the IDE or copy it onto your computer from the DVD, then proceed with installing it. Once it's installed, haul out your Arduino and its cable and plug it into the computer and let the computer install the drivers. Now, it may take a while and you might have to do this once or twice, but it should install the drivers itself. If you have a problem at this stage, go to arduino.cc, click on Learning, and then Getting Started. On that page, scroll down till you see the Uno on the right-hand side and click on it. On that page, you'll see this, and then just below it, the header, Install the board drivers. You'll see a checklist of things to do if it doesn't work. Just work through the checklist.